start with the diagram. We have a circle, a line touching the circle at exactly one point T, and another line joining 2 points on the circle. That touching line is the tangent. The line joining 2 points is the chord. Now look at the angle between the tangent and the chord at T. It's marked as 40 degrees. Before using any theorem, notice what the chord does. It splits the circle into 2 regions. The angle we already know is on one side of the chord. The angle we are trying to find is on the opposite side. That opposite region is called the alternate segment. So the key question is, which angle is connected to the same chord but lies in the opposite segment of the circle? That is exactly where the alternate segment theorem applies. The theorem says the angle between a tangent and a chord equals the angle in the alternate segment. This is one of the fastest geometry rules in circle theorems because there's no calculation, you just match the angles. Both angles are linked to the same chord. One angle is formed by the tangent and the chord at T, the other angle sits at the circumference on the opposite side of that chord. The theorem says those 2 angles are equal. So if the angle between the tangent and the chord is 40 degrees, then the angle in the alternate segment is also 40 degrees. That's the entire solution. A very common mistake is doing 180 minus 40 and getting 140 degrees. Don't do that here. These angles are not forming a straight line together. The theorem does not say supplementary, it says equal. So remember the shortcut. Angle between tangent and chord equals angle in the alternate segment. Therefore, the answer is 40 degrees.